Have you ever wanted to deeply connect with your partner in the bedroom, creating moments that bring you closer and leave her feeling truly cherished? If you're nodding your head right now, then this message is exactly for you. Most men think great intimacy is about physical attributes, stamina, or some kind of natural gift. But here's the real truth. It's not about any of that. It's about knowing the right approach, the techniques most men never take time to learn properly. And today, I'm going to share one of the most effective methods for creating deep, intimate connection with your partner. A technique so straightforward that once you understand it, you'll never go back to guessing or feeling unsure again. Picture this. You become the man who creates such meaningful experiences that your partner thinks about those special moments for days, maybe even weeks afterward. This isn't about gimmicks or quick fixes. It's about following a simple, step-by-step approach that builds connection until she feels completely present, responsive, and deeply satisfied. Sound good? Then keep watching, because I'm about to break this down into 3 easy steps that anyone can follow. Hi, gentlemen. I'm Dr. Mika Hayashi, a urologist with over a decade of experience helping seniors reclaim their health and vitality. My mission is straightforward. I teach men the real truth about what creates lasting intimate satisfaction. Not the polite conversations we have at social gatherings, but the honest facts about what actually strengthens intimate bonds. Every week, I share practical, no-nonsense strategies that help you connect with your partner, deepen your relationship, and create satisfaction that many couples only dream about. If you want to keep learning this kind of information, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss these lessons. Now, before I walk you through the actual 3-step technique, there's one thing I need to talk about first, and that's confidence. Because here's the thing, technique by itself isn't enough. Your partner can sense if you're nervous, unsure, or holding yourself back. Confidence is what takes a caring partner and turns you into someone truly memorable. And confidence doesn't just appear out of nowhere. It's built through experience and learning. If you've ever worried that you don't have enough experience, stop right there. Don't worry. The fastest way to build real confidence isn't through trial and error with many partners. It's by learning from experts who actually know what works and can teach you the right approach. Research from the Journal of Sexual Medicine shows that couples who communicate and learn together report 62% higher satisfaction levels. So you're already on the right path just by being here. Now let's dive into the 3-step technique that can help you create those powerful, memorable, intimate experiences. Step 1. Finding the right position. Before you begin, positioning is everything. Think of this step as creating the perfect environment for comfort and connection. First, make absolutely sure she's comfortable. Here's a helpful tip. Place a pillow under her hips so her pelvis tilts upward slightly. This one small change makes everything easier for you, and it enhances the sensations for her. Have her rest on her back with her knees positioned comfortably. This openness not only helps you, but it also creates a sense of trust and vulnerability that deepens the intimacy between you. But don't forget about yourself either. You can't give your best if you're uncomfortable or straining. So kneel on the bed with a cushion under your knees, or adjust her position so you can approach comfortably from the side. Some couples even prefer one partner on the bed while the other sits in a chair at the edge. Take a moment to experiment and find what feels natural for both of you. But remember this is not a race. You're going to need comfort and patience. When you're both relaxed and ready, that's when the real connection begins. Step 2. The patient buildup. Here's where most men make a mistake. They rush. They move too quickly to the most sensitive areas, thinking faster equals better. That's not how it works. Women need gradual buildup. According to research, most women need 10 to 15 minutes of gentle attention to fully respond. That means your goal here is not to hurry to the finish. Your goal is to create anticipation and gradually awaken her entire body. Start away from the most sensitive areas. Kiss and gently caress her inner thighs. This area is quite sensitive, and most men completely overlook it. Every gentle touch here raises her anticipation, making her wonder when you'll move to the center. When you do start moving toward her most intimate area, Take your time. Begin with the outer areas first. Use your tongue slowly, gently, with clear intention. Think of it like savoring a special moment. No rushing allowed, just pure presence. Use just the tip of your tongue at first, moving slowly and deliberately. This light touch creates anticipation. After a couple of minutes, gradually increase the pressure by using more of your tongue. Start moving closer to her most responsive area, but don't focus directly on it just yet. Let the anticipation build naturally. Pay close attention to her reactions. Is she breathing deeper? Is her body responding? Good. That tells you you're on exactly the right path. When you finally reach her most sensitive spot, remember this rule. Gentle is better at the beginning. Use soft, rhythmic movements. Consistency is absolutely everything here. Women need to relax into a rhythm, and that's when real pleasure starts building. You can vary things slightly, alternate between different gentle techniques, but do it gradually, not suddenly. Keep your pace nice and steady so her body can enjoy the sensations. This entire stage is about patience and perfect timing. The more you focus on the journey, the more satisfying the destination will be. Step 3. The pause and resume method. Now here's the approach that separates ordinary experiences from extraordinary ones. The pause and resume technique. Most men make this mistake. As soon as they notice their partner is getting close to the peak moment, they continue without pause. Yes, she'll reach satisfaction, but it won't be nearly as powerful as it could be. Instead, what you want to do is bring her close to the peak and then pause briefly. How do you know when she's close? Look for these signs: deeper breathing, muscles tensing, increased responsiveness. That's your signal. When you see these signs, pause for a moment. Switch to kissing her thighs, speaking softly or gently caressing her body. Tell her how much you appreciate this moment together. This short break, just 20 to 30 seconds, builds even stronger desire. Then return to what you were doing. Resume the exact same rhythm and approach you were using before. Each time you bring her close and then pause briefly, the anticipation multiplies. The first build-up might take 10 minutes, but the second time, it'll only take half that. The third time, even less. You're layering sensation upon sensation until she reaches a point of complete release. When she's fully present in the moment, when her whole body is responding completely, that's when you maintain your steady rhythm and guide her to a deeply satisfying experience. Keep your movements consistent, your attention focused, and help her reach a level of satisfaction that creates lasting connection between you. So there you have it. The complete 3-step approach: comfortable positioning, patient buildup, and the pause and resume method. On the surface, it sounds simple, right? But when you apply it correctly, it's truly transformative. These steps give you a clear roadmap that turns intimate moments into experiences that leave your partner feeling cherished, connected, and deeply satisfied. When you follow this method, you're not just creating physical pleasure. You're building an emotional and mental bond, the kind of meaningful connection that strengthens your relationship in lasting ways. You're no longer just going through the motions. You become the partner she feels truly connected to, the one who understands her needs and takes the time to do things thoughtfully. And here's the real truth behind all of this. Being wonderful at intimacy is not about luck. It's not about natural ability. And it's definitely not about being born with some special talent. It's about knowledge, practice, and confidence. Every gentle touch, every pause, every moment of build-up adds to the experience. And that careful attention, that's what creates truly memorable moments. The more patient and intentional you are, the more she'll trust you, and the deeper your connection becomes. Think about it this way. Most men rush through everything. They don't know how to slow down properly. They don't understand the power of patience. And they have no idea that by pausing at the right moments, they can actually enhance the experience many times over. But now you know. You have the tools to set yourself apart and give her the kind of satisfaction that she'll treasure long after the moment passes. So remember this, it's not a race, it's a journey you take together. Take your time, pay attention to her responses, listen to what her body is communicating, and be thoughtful with every interaction. If you apply this approach consistently, you'll notice something wonderful happening. Not only will she enjoy intimacy more, but the bond between you will grow stronger and stronger. She'll look forward to your time together. She'll appreciate your attention to her needs, and she'll see your intimate moments as something truly special. Do this, and I promise you, your relationship will deepen, your connection will strengthen, and you'll both find more joy in your intimate life together. That's the real power of mastering this three-step method. It doesn't just improve one aspect of your relationship, it transforms how you connect on every level. Now, if you found this helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button right now. Share this with someone who might benefit from it. And subscribe to this channel so you never miss these valuable lessons. Drop a comment below and let me know. What's your biggest question when it comes to deepening intimacy with your partner? I read every single comment, and your question might be featured in my next video. Remember, at any age, you can create the intimate connection you've always wanted. You just need the right knowledge. And now you have it. I'll see you in the next one.